way to Thorens for the JBL snow party. I'm super excited for that. Last year was amazing. Goedemorgen!
On our way.
On our way.
To thorens.
We are at the hotel right now. First of all, the ride was amazing. The view was crazy. Big shout out to JBL. I just got this crazy goodie bag as well. A new headphone. I love this one. And some fire speakers. And I love this one. I got some crazy glasses. And I'm gonna show you right now how they will look. Big shout out to JBL, thank you so much for inviting me again to the snow party. It's crazy, I'm so excited.
Het is warm, we zitten outside. Everything is
Let's go! I'm in my hotel room right now, chilling a bit. Just had some food with Team JBL. They're always amazing, it's always fun. Also, I'm gonna show you guys. This is my first merchandise collection. It's really fire. Even een charms taste test.
Oh ja, kom. ASMR.
ASMR.
Hoe smaakt die? Hoe smaakt die?
Is wel een,
Lekker?
is wel een 7'tje.
Ga ik hem ook even proberen.
Dan heb ik eigenlijk een taco. En geen
Ja.
quesadilla.
Nee. Maar er zit genoeg kaas in.
Ja.
Ik vind het wel lekker. Ik mors ook meteen de helft. Nice. Good morning. So it's the next day. It's Wednesday actually. And I just woke up with some breakfast. Let's turn on some music while doing makeup because that's just a vibe, you know. Let's go. Right. I think the makeup is done. So now we go do the hair. Alright, I think I'm done. I need to go change, I think.
Welcome to Radio FG.
Thank you so much. I was here last year as well and I was super nervous, and this time I'm just so excited to be back and just gonna have some fun, warm up. Real snow party with snow. Holy shit. I really thought that the next shot would be us going to the snow party. So basically the snow party got cancelled because of the weather. So we're still doing a party. I'm super happy to be here. We're going to the airport in like 2 or 3 hours. I'm happy that we can still party and everybody can still have a good time. Some good vibes with the new academy, shout out to them as well. I'm gonna go home, grab my new luggage, take a shower, say hello to my dog, and then we're gonna go back to the airport because we're gonna go to China. Let's go. Also want to thank JBL again for inviting me. It was kind of sad, of course, that it couldn't happen yesterday, but I think they still managed to make amazing party at the hotel as well. So yeah, big shout out to them, and I always appreciate it. Alright, we're back. So we're on our way to the airport again. I went home for a few hours to get a shower and to repack my bags. Now we're going to China for some China shows, and I'm bringing a special guest with me on tour. It's gonna be my mom. Let's go, let's go. I'm super curious how she will experience this whole tour, China tour. Gonna be fun, and I'm gonna take you guys with me as well. So yeah, let's go to the airport right now. Before we're gonna fly, we're gonna do one thing. Kind of my favorite part of today. So let's go. Alright, we're in the hotel. Mom is unpacking. It's nice actually that you're with me on tour for the first time, so now I don't have to unpack. That's amazing. Normally I have to do it myself, but now I got my mom. We just met up with Magisto. We were in the same pickup to the hotel. We're gonna get a shower, I think, freshen up a bit, and then we're gonna go out. We tried to sleep on the flight, but I think I slept, but after I woke up I didn't feel better. So for now, let's just freshen up. Ready? Let's go. Sightseeing.
Let's go, let's go.
Magisto collab right now in China.
We've been making it right now. Before the club, we're making it and we're gonna drop it in the club.
Exactly.
This is our delusion that we've been living in for the past 1 year.
Probably, yeah.
Trying to finish it right.
We need to finish it or start a new one.
Yeah, I think
Either way.
maybe start a new one now. Yeah, and then we can see if we want to come back to the previous club.
Yeah, exactly. And then we can make an EP.
Oh, that'd be amazing. Merow and Magisto. We
Let
can
us
somehow
know.
fit it.
I mean,
Marigisto.
fire. Yes.
Okay, cut that.
No, I'm not gonna cut anything. No, but we're just sightseeing for a bit before going to dinner.
Yeah.
And
We went to Family Mart and she really liked a few things.
I love visiting supermarkets in like other countries because it's always so different than when you're at home. So who knows? Maybe we will try something.
Yeah, maybe. So we have it.
Yeah. Come on, you can do this.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
It's born ready.
Go.
Yes.
Yeah, you got it.
Thank you. Oh,
Tasty.
nice.
Good?
Nice.
Dan ga je gang.
Oh.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it. Oh, you got it. Nice. Nice.
Gewoon leuk gezegd voor de kijkers. En dan moet...
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ready for
It's
the day.
2:30.
Yeah.
Well, we're going out for some sightseeing. Last night was crazy. It was so much fun. I really love the China crowd. They're crazy. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. It was super fun. Yeah, now we're just gonna have some sightseeing. Really excited for it, and the weather is beautiful today as well. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. Really nice. Look at that. Good morning. It's currently Monday. Yesterday was really fun. We went out and we had such a good time. Really nice dinner and some sightseeing, which was amazing. And today we woke up pretty early because we want to go to Disneyland. Well, we don't have any tickets yet, so we're gonna find out if we can get some tickets. So I hope so, because this is like a childhood dream for sure. So let's see. I will let you guys know. All right, we got tickets. Let's go. I'm very excited for this. The last time I was in Disneyland was like when I was like 1 or 2. So I don't remember anything. So this is gonna be so cool. I'm super excited. Ja man.
Leuk hoor. Nice.
I need one.
Ik zie er wel een.
Oh, je ziet er al in? Welke ga je nemen? Furry meeting is dit. Huh?
Ja, dit is een meeting voor
Furries.
furry friends.
Ja, is leuk man.
Leuk.
Ja, ik zou hem houden. Is het warm of niet?
Ja, het is wel heet. Ik vind hem wel leuk.
Ja man. Let's go. Let's go.
Ik ben parasol.
Dat is goed dit.
Ja, ik vind het wel leuk.
We're in line 4.
We're in line for Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh. Childhood. We've been here all day. It's been amazing. I think I'm gonna show you guys some iPhone shots as well. It's been crazy. Yeah, I'm super grateful to be here. Tomorrow we have another day off as well. I'm going to Wuhan the next day for a show, and then Shenzhen as well. I think I'm gonna film that for a new video as well, because it's like 2 separate shows and this trip has already been crazy. So yeah, it has been insane. Really grateful for this. I'm really excited for all the shows, and the Shanghai show was also amazing. Big shout out to all the China fans. Thank you so much. And yeah, it's cool that my mom is here as well. I hope you enjoy it as well.
I really enjoy it.
Time to go to the hotel. What a crazy day. We did everything with 2 hours of sleep because we have jet lag. So I'm impressed. We're still here. It's currently 9. We're going to the hotel now to chill, shower, sleep. Last day.
Let's go to the
Shanghai.
shopping mall.
Before going to Wuhan for the next show. Let's go. Oh, we slept for how long? 10 hours?
Yeah, I think so.
I needed that sleep.
First had breakfast.
We had breakfast and then we went back to bed. It was amazing. So we're at the mall right now. The first second I came in, I saw a baby store. That's my weakness, so I had to buy some shirts. That's what I love about Asia for sure, is like shopping and stuff like that. It's amazing. They have these super big malls, like 7 floors, and so many stores. It's really amazing. So we're just gonna spend our day here, and yeah, I hope we're not gonna buy too much, but yeah, we'll see, we'll see. En best leuk. Yeah, let's go.